Hello everyone, Sweety Mall here, an educator by profession. I've been in the field of teaching since more than 20 years, and I really want to break this myth that mathematics is a difficult subject. In today's video, I'm going to discuss the divisibility rules of various numbers. In competitive exams and all, it comes in handy. You need to know whether a big number is divisible by certain numbers or not. So you'll be able to just judge it by looking at the number only in a glance. Okay. So in today's video, I'm going to check the divisibility of numbers by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And I'll be making some more videos in which I'll be discussing the divisibility of numbers after 7, like numbers 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on. So let's get started. Now, how do we check the divisibility of a number by 2? All the numbers that end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are divisible by 2. Basically, all even numbers. These are called even numbers. Numbers that end in these numbers are called even numbers. So they are divisible by 2. Let me pick up one example. Suppose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8. No matter how long the number is, you just have to look at the last digit. Last digit 8 is an even number, so the whole number will be divisible by 2. Let me pick up one more example here. 1, 3, 5, 2, 9, 1, 7. Huge number, but you simply have to look at the last number here. Last digit over there. It's 7. 7 is not any of these numbers. It's an odd number, so the whole number is not divisible by 2. As simple as that. Now, how do we check the divisibility of a number by 3? We have to add up all the digits of the number. Sum of the digits, if it's divisible by 3. If it's divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. But if the sum of the numbers is not divisible by 3, sum of the digits of the number not divisible by 3, then the whole number will also not be divisible by 3. So let me pick up an example. Suppose the number is 3, 4, 3. You just add up the digits of the number. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 does not come in the table of 3. So this number will also not be divisible by 3. Let me pick up one more example. Say 1, 2, 4, 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So the entire number will be divisible by 3. This is not divisible, but this is divisible. So what do we have to do? Simply add up the digits. Okay. Here, so you don't have to sit and divide the number actually by 3. Right. Now how do we check the divisibility of a number by 4? You simply have to look at the last 2 digits of the number. No matter how big the number is. You just have to look at the last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. If the last 2 digits of the number is not divisible by 4, then the number will not be divisible by 4, no matter how big the number is. So let me pick up an example to explain. Suppose the number is 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 8, 7, 2. So what do we have to do? You simply have to look at the last 2 digits of the number. Last 2 digits is 72. We know, we can simply do it mentally also. 72 is divisible by 4 or not, that we need to check. So it's divisible by 4, right? So the whole number will also be divisible by 4. Let me pick up one more example. 4, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 1, 3. Again, last 2 digits in the number is 13. 13, is it divisible by 4? No, it does not come in the table of 4. So the whole number will also not be divisible by 4. Let me pick up one more example. 2, 3, 9, 5, 1, 3. Last 2 digits over here is 1, 3, 13. 13 is not divisible by 4. The whole number will also not be divisible by 4 then. Now how do we check the divisibility of a number by 5? For checking the divisibility by 5, you simply have to look at the last digit of the number. Just look at the last digit of the number, no matter how big the number is. If the number is ending in 0 or 5, then the whole number will be divisible by 5. And if the number is not ending in 0 or 5, then the number will not be divisible by 5. You must have seen that when we say the times table of 5, all the numbers over there end in either 0 or 5. So that's a simple thumb rule here. Let's pick up a number 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. 5, it's ending in 5. So the whole number is divisible by 5. Let's pick up one more example. 3, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. The number is ending in 8. So this entire number is not divisible by 5. Clear? Now how do we check the divisibility of a number by 6? You have to check whether the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both or not. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 6. But if the number is not divisible either by 2 or by 3, then the number will not be divisible by 6. Okay, so the numbers divisible by both 2 and 3 are divisible by 6 as well. Now let me pick up an example. 3, 1, 5, 2, 9. Okay. So first we will check whether the number is satisfying the divisibility rule of 2 or not. Simply look at the units digit. What is it? 9. So it's not divisible by 2. So no need of checking the divisibility by 3. Because since it's not divisible by 2, it will not be divisible by 6. Okay. Now let me pick up one more example. Suppose the number is 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's pick up this number. Now this number, since it's ending in 4, we have to check the divisibility by 3 of this number. Add up all the digits. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay. So 10 does not come in the table of 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. Though it's divisible by 2, it's not divisible by 3. So it will not be divisible by 6. Now, but if the number is, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Then since it's an even number, it's divisible by 2. Also, you add up all the digits, what do you get? 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 12. 12 is divisible by 3, so the whole number will also be divisible by 3. So since this number is divisible by both 2 and 3, the entire number will be divisible by 6. Pretty simple. Now let's come to the number 7 now. How do we check the divisibility of a number by 7? Okay, 7 is a unique number. Okay, its divisibility rule will be slightly different from the others. Now, what do we do? I'll pick up an example to explain. 3, 4, 3. What do we do? We are supposed to look at the units digit. What's the units digit over here? 3. Multiply it with 2. 3 times 2 gives us 6. Subtract 6 from the remaining part of the number. What do we get? 28. Now 28 comes in the table of 7. So the entire number will also be divisible by 7. Like since 28 divisible by 7, so the whole number will also be divisible by 7. And even if the number is big, we have to keep repeating this process. Okay, step by step. So let me pick up one example. Suppose the number is 1, 2, 4, 3. Now what do we do? 3 units digit, multiply it with 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract it from the remaining part of the number. What do we get? 14 minus 6 gives us 8, 1, 1. The number is still big, so you have to repeat the method. So 8 times 2 gives us how much? 8 times 2 is 16. So we subtract it from here. Okay. Now when we subtract, what do we get? A minus 5 over here. Okay, 16 minus 11 gives you a minus 5. 11 minus 16 gives you a minus 5. So this number minus 5 is not divisible by 7. So the whole number will also not be divisible by 7. So no matter how big the number is, you have to keep repeating this so that you arrive at a smaller number and you are able to decide whether the number is divisible by that particular number or not. So I hope this video was useful for you, and I'll be discussing the divisibility rules of other numbers in my upcoming videos. So stay connected. Please write your comments, share your views in the comments box below. Thank you.